Welcome to D.Buzz, your microblog built on the Hive blockchain. Today we're going to be talking about logging in using your posting key. When you've signed up for Hive or for D.Buzz, you are presented with a bunch of different keys. You of course have your active key, your posting key, your memo key, also your master password and master backup key. You should have all these, but to make use of D.Buzz, you only need to log in with your posting key. To do so, when you come to the page, come up on top to the button that says Login. When you click this, a pop-up window will appear. Here it asks for your username and specifically for your posting key. You can also log in with the Hive Keychain. We'll do a tutorial about that later on. For today, we're logging in with your username and your posting key. For your username, type in the account you wish to log in. In this case, I want to log into the D.Buzz account, so I'm going to enter D.Buzz. I've also previously saved my posting key in my password manager, so I'm just going to click this. But otherwise, you can copy and paste your posting key in and then click the submit button. After you do so, you'll be logged into D.Buzz and brought to the latest section of all the latest updates and posts. We hope you found this tutorial interesting. If you have any questions or comments, please reach out to us on Discord or leave a comment down below. Thank you for joining us today, and Carpe Diem.